Okay, Ticas needs to move quickly. Time is not on their side. They need to move quickly. Bragais for 3. No. And, all right. Francisco still not ready to wait. Look at Joseph Francisco. Okay, here's the miss by Bragais, but Francisco battling underneath to get the 2 points. Seconds left. It all hinges on this free throw by Francisco. No! Oh, but they tip it in! And there's a foul! Wow! What a turn of events! And look at this. Look at this development. Look at that. First of all, here's the miss. And then the offensive rebound. And Gagne is fouled. Oh boy. And look at this story. Redemption for Gagne. He was saddled with early foul trouble. That's why he was not able to play that much today. But now Gagne, amidst all his early struggles, with a chance to redeem himself and bail out the team with 11 seconds left. Gagne for the free three! I told you, there is the free three! Gagne has restored the lead. He has restored the lead to Ticas. Look at that, the fans are going nuts.